Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel and thank you for being here today. I'm excited to kick off our journey with this first slide, which is all about learning, growing, and connecting. We'll explore some great ways to engage, share, and grow together. You'll also see a little reminder to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss out on future content. So let's get started and see what's coming up in this presentation. Welcome to this channel, where you will learn a lot about networking. We'll start with the basics, so you get a solid foundation. You'll also dive into CCNA concepts, which are essential for understanding networking at a professional level. Plus, I will share practical networking knowledge that you can apply in real-world scenarios. This is actually my first video, so I'm excited to get started with you. The goal here is to build your confidence step by step, covering key concepts that will support your journey in networking. So, let's get started and explore what networking is all about. An IP address is basically an Internet Protocol address. It's a unique number assigned to every device that connects to a network. Think of it as a digital street address, helping data find its way to the right device. For example, you might see something like 192.168.4.1. That's a common format for IP addresses used in local networks. The key point here is that each device needs a unique ID so it can communicate properly over the internet or a network. Understanding IP addresses is fundamental because it's the foundation for how devices identify and connect with each other in the digital world. This ties directly into how networks operate smoothly and securely. So, an IP address is essentially like a unique identifier for each device on a network. It helps devices find and recognize each other, kind of like a home address. When devices want to communicate, they need this address to send and receive information accurately. Now, why do we really need an IP address? Well, without it, devices wouldn't know where to send data or how to find each other, which would make communication on the network impossible. It's fundamental for establishing connections, ensuring data reaches the right device, and keeping the whole network organized and efficient. So, in sum, the IP address is crucial because it acts as the device's digital identity, enabling seamless and reliable communication across the network. This ties back to our overall theme of how networks operate smoothly through these fundamental identifiers. Now, let's take a closer look at the two main types of IP addresses. First, we have the public IP address. This is the address used when you're accessing the internet directly. Think of it as your device's unique identifier on the global network, allowing websites and services to recognize and communicate with you. On the other hand, there's the private IP address. This one is used within local networks, like at your home or office. It's how your devices talk to each other inside that confined environment without exposing their identities to the wider internet. Understanding these two types is crucial because they serve different purposes. The public IP connects you to the world, while the private IP keeps your local communications secure and organized. This distinction helps us see how networks are structured and managed, which ties back to the overall theme of network security and efficiency. Just like if we have someone's home address, we can find their house, right? In the same way, if we have an IP address, we can pinpoint the device they're using. It's a similar concept. Just like a home address uniquely identifies a house, an IP address uniquely identifies a device on the internet. Let's consider a simple example. When you connect to a website, your device has an IP address that the website can see. This allows the website to know where your request is coming from. So, understanding IP addresses is key in network communication and security, because it helps us track and identify devices just like addresses help us locate homes. This is a fundamental concept in how we manage and secure digital interactions. I will share the basics of networking step by step on this channel. Like, comment, and share the video. Also, please comment below the topic you'd like us to cover in the next video. Thanks again for your support. Thank you.